हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। सो अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 13 अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कॉमेंट करके बताना होता है। So let's start the first question. Sarnath has been nominated for UNESCO World Heritage status. In which state it is located? And the correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Second question. Recently, who won the men's and women's title in the Pan America Hockey Cup 2025? And the correct answer is Argentina. Third question. Who has recently assumed charge as the chairperson of the Capacity Building Commission? And the correct answer is S. Radha Chauhan. Fourth question. Which Bollywood actor has recently been appointed as the brand ambassador of Zomato? And the correct answer is Shah Rukh Khan. Fifth question. Where is Bharat Earth Movers Limited, that is BEML, setting up its rupees 1,800 crore rail coach manufacturing hub? And the correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Sixth question. Former Prime Minister of which country, Success Masra, was recently sanctioned to 20 years in prison for inciting public hatred and hostility? And the answer is Chad. Seventh question. Which bank has partnered with the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, that is FSSAI, to launch a web-based payment platform? And the answer is Bank of Baroda. Eighth question. Which bank has increased the minimum monthly average balance for new saving bank customers in metro and urban areas to rupees 50,000? And the correct answer is ICICI Bank. Ninth question. Which bank has been fined rupees 75 lakh by the RBI for violating norms related to valuation of properties and opening of current accounts? And the correct answer is ICICI Bank. 10th question. Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance has partnered with which financial service company to expand the reach of its retail life insurance products? And the correct answer is Geojit Financial Services. 11th question. The International Finance Corporation, that is IFC, has committed $150 million to which SDFC fund for green and affordable housing? And the correct answer is H Dream Fund. 12th question. Boxer Hiromasa Urakawa, who recently died due to flight injuries, was from which country? And the correct answer is Japan. 13th question. On which date is National Javelin Day annually observed across India? And the correct answer is 7th August. 14th question. Who is the author of the book Why the Constitution Matters? And the correct answer is Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. 15th question. Great Barrier Reef that was recently seen in news is located in which country? And the correct answer is Australia. 16th question. World Biofuel Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the correct answer is 10th August. 17th question. Which country has developed the Dark Eagle hypersonic missile system? And the answer is United States. 18th question. Vishnugarh Pipalkoti hydroelectric project is located in which state? And the answer is Uttarakhand. 19th question. Satnavri village will be made India's first smart intelligent village. In which state is it located? And the answer is Maharashtra. 20th question. Who became the first Indian to win a medal at the Asian Surfing Championships ASC? And the correct answer is Ramesh Buddihal. 21st question. Who inaugurated India's longest route Vande Bharat Express? And the correct answer is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. 22nd question. Which state launched the Nari Adalat on 1st Amma Samman Divas to empower women in local justice? And the correct answer is Sikkim. 23rd question. Which state becomes the first state to implement Disha Abhiyan for uniform quality education of students with intellectual disabilities? And the answer is Maharashtra. 24th question. Who laid the foundation stone of the rupees 1,800 crore Bharat Earth Movers Limited, that is BEML, rail manufacturing hub? And the answer is Rajnath Singh. 25th question. Who among the following has become India's youngest FIDE rated female chess player? And the correct answer is Arani Lohati. 26th question. Which is the longest distance Vande Bharat train in India? And the correct answer is Nagpur-Pune Vande Bharat Express. 27th question. Work for Viksit Bharat portal has been launched by whom? And the correct answer is Niti Aayog. 28th question. Sikkim has recently launched the Nari Adalat program. When was the Nari Adalat program launched? And the correct answer is 2023. 29th question. India's under-20 women's team has qualified for the AFC Under-20 Asian Cup 2026 after 20 years. Which country will host the AFC Under-20 Asian Cup 2026? And the correct answer is Thailand. And the last 30th question. What is the budget allocated for Bharat Taxi, India's first cooperative taxi service? And the correct answer is rupees 300 crore. तो ये थे 13 अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है, विच स्टेट हैज लॉन्च द बाज अक एंटी ड्रोन सिस्टम टू कर्ब क्रॉस बॉर्डर ड्रग स्मगलिंग। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।